I'm Sharon and welcome to KG. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this plant-based kimbap with smoky yubu, which is deep-fried soybean curd. And if you've never heard of this kimbap, it literally means seaweed or laver, rice. Kimbap. It's similar to Japanese sushi roll, but you're gonna see that it's different. And I also learned from my only vegan friend Sam that seaweed is actually not for everyone. So with that in mind, I'm also going to make seaweedless ghost kimbap today. So let's get started. We're going to make 3 kimbap rolls today, 2 regular and 1 ghost kimbap. So you're going to need 3 cups of cooked rice. I'm going to use Calrose rice. You can use medium grain rice, short grain rice, brown rice. And this is the star ingredient of the day, yubu. And we're going to first soak it in hot water to remove some oil. I'm using this roasted seaweed or nori. I don't have a wooden mat, and you can make it without one like myself. We're going to put the textured side up. Make a thin spread of rice, leaving about an inch room towards the end. And place the prepared ingredients. I'm putting the green colors in the middle to give some nice color contrast. And we're going to roll it up like we did with sundae. But this time, we're going to make sure that the ingredients don't pass our rice borderline. Like so. And let it rest with the seamed side down. To make the ghost roll, I'm using a reusable Ziploc bag because I don't have the wooden mat, but if you have one, go ahead and use it, but with a plastic wrap around it. Place the rice on top. Wash your hands, and with your wet hand, make the rice layer. Because we don't have a seaweed to hold things together, it's very important to have a very well put together rice layer. Make a strong rice foundation so it wouldn't fall apart with our pressure later. Like building a house on the rock and not on sand. And don't put too much filling, that's why I'm omitting carrots in this one. You'll need to press it a little harder than the regular kimbap to shape it. It's quite sticky, but be gentle and it'll come off. Okay, our smoky yubu gimbap and ghost gimbap is ready. And let's have a taste. Ghost gimbap first. 잘 먹겠습니다. Oh wow. I couldn't imagine the taste of kimbap without kim, but it actually tastes really good. I think smoky yubu adds a lot of umami to the ghost kimbap, so even without the seaweed, it tastes so good and delicious. Wow! And now, the regular kimbap. Mmm. 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 Oh wow. New discovery of the day. Actually, because the ghost kimbap has no seaweed, the taste of smoky yubu pops up even more. So it's a really nice surprise. I actually like the ghost kimbap very much. So yeah, I hope you get to try this at home. So this is smoky yubu kimbap and ghost kimbap. I hope you enjoyed this recipe today, and I hope to see you again next time. And thank you for watching. Bye!